Welcome to Reston Hypnosis. My name is Elizabeth Howard and I am a nationally certified hypnotist. In this video, I will be discussing how hypnosis can help you change your habits, behaviors, and beliefs to help you create success in your life. So let's get started. So how can hypnosis help me change? Losing weight. Quit smoking, that's a popular one. Stress and anxiety management, overcoming various fears and phobias such as spiders, snakes, needles, flying on an airplane. Hypnosis is good for personal development and sports enhancement, and dealing with your past, letting things go and forgiving others and forgiving yourself. Hypnosis is good at eradicating various bad habits and behaviors such as nail biting or addictions such as coffee and alcohol. It could be used for test anxiety and improving your emotions such as anger management and making you feel better about yourself, improving your self-confidence and your self-image. So the possibilities with hypnosis are endless as long as you have the desire to change. I want to thank you for watching this video and taking charge of your life, your health, and your well-being. And for more information and to receive your free consultation, please contact me at 703-999-8097. Please also visit my website to find out more information about hypnosis, how it works, statistics, and videos at www.restonhypnosis.com. I look forward to your success and hearing from you soon. Have a great day. Bye.